these so many times.
It actually still hurts so bad.
Yeah, of course it does. I would fall off of these though. Wait, I want to see.
I love this.
Wow. Actually, those are nice. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah. Ignore my ugly ASS toes.
Wait, how do I come down?
I don't know. What floor would like wall-mounted clocks be on? Laying down now.
I don't want to get up.
It's so comfortable.
I'm so tired.
We need to go to 2 floors down to find wall-mounted clocks for my sister.
God, that lady is looking at us.
Okay. Underneath the kids' bed with like a curtain thing.
We're being really immature.
But this is, I want to get a loft bed just so I can put a curtain on the front with like Velcro and then have this shelf in the back. This would be sick.
I'm feeling.
It's like a plug.
I
would
feel
put
like
fairy
a
lights.
5-year-old again.
I know, I love this. I need this right now. And there's like a mat on the ground, so it's not uncomfortable. I kind of just want to sleep. I'm so tired. I should have gotten caffeine at Starbucks. Okay, we got the clock for my sister. It's that. I have the same one. Regan, the Earth Goddess.
Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Oh no.
Yeah.
I'm dying. You know, try
It's
to.
very deep.
We decided to try to get in here. I don't know. Can you fit in there?
I'm waiting for people to pass by.
Oh my god, you can. That's not okay. Yeah,
We're gonna get kicked out.
You're gonna get kicked out. Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. There's no.
This is really stupid, Lily. Oh my god. Is it fun?
Yeah, it's nice. It's very comfy.
Okay, get down before someone asks you why are you up there.
Go.
Wait, no, there's someone there.
It's fine. I'm going in after you.
Okay.
You can cover yourself up because there's a thing there. Go, Regan, go. Yes. Okay, I'm coming.
This is so smart. We're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, no. Shoot. No one can see us.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
This is actually really fun.
I'm scared.
I like this.
Okay, I'm really
They
scared.
can't
now.
see you.
There was an IKEA worker right there.
Okay, we'll get down. Everyone just saw us do that, and there's IKEA workers right there, and there's a baby crying. Okay.
So smart.
Keep exact. If anyone saw that kid, he was trying to kick us out of our fort. How dare he? If you're out there, don't.
Mom. Here, honey.
Wow.
We got our ground. Oh, God.
Sorry. Okay, we're getting to the line now. Regan's looking at a sink. Oh, I like how it's like elevated here.
Yeah, so like you could put like soap
Toothbrush.
here, or like something else.
Or a toothbrush.
Or toothbrush. And then there's like this bar. And I like how
Oh, I just moved the whole thing. Okay. Before we destroy IKEA, let's go downstairs and pay because the line's hella long. Rainbow!
God is saying to all you people who need some, here's your gay pride.
Yay! Wait, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Yay! Next, we went to Home Depot, but I didn't film any of it because I'm a lazy butt. Now watch as we struggle to survive while we lay on a bench at Korean barbecue.
So tired. We're laying down at a restaurant. They have nice seating. I'm so tired and nauseous. Yay. Yay. That's so fun. One time I came to school with hot chocolate.
Wow, wasn't that fascinating?
So good.
ASMR.
It's so good.
We sincerely apologize to any vegans or vegetarians out there. So I was gonna do subtitles for this part, but I'm lazy, so now I'm doing a voiceover. Regan and I did our hair in buns, and I'm in a restaurant bathroom right now. There's the dryer. But yeah, we're just at the restaurant right now, and we're gonna go to Cream Street. Next, we went to Cream Street, which is just overly priced ice cream. I didn't get anything because I'm not human, but I did end up mooching off of Regan's mom and Regan's ice cream. We're back from Korean barbecue. Regan,
I think I forgot my mom's phone.
Regan's got her laptop.
Yay! I just got a new laptop, so I'm trying to set it up.
Yeah, so that's fun. I'm gonna hop in the shower because we smell like Korean barbecue. and so is Regan. So I'm going first, and she needs to teach me how a shower works. That's great. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing YouTube. I've been doing it for like 3 years now. Just kidding. I love YouTube.
It's like 1 year.
No, it's been 3 years.
3 years?
January 2016 I started. Okay, well, have fun setting up your Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Yay. Then after that, I obviously showered, and that's it for today's video. I'm sad to end it here, but because I love filming these kind of videos, and I love these vlogs that I made. So get excited for part 3, 4, and maybe 5. I don't know anymore, because they're like kind of long. But next vlog is really good, just to like tell you that. But yeah, subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends if you have any. Yeah, that's all for today, I guess. Bye.